Hi class, welcome to day 2 of our digital marketing class. Once again, my name is Sheyi, your trainer for this class. Okay, so today we'll be looking at Facebook ads. First of all, what are Facebook ads? So Facebook ads are paid advertisements that businesses or individuals run on Facebook and also on Instagram because they own Facebook to reach specific audiences. Facebook ad is also the ability to show your content to the exact people that are interested. For example, maybe I sell baby food, so then my target audience will probably be lactating mothers or breastfeeding mothers or pregnant women living in Port Harcourt. Maybe my target I need people in Port Harcourt just but I don't deliver nationwide or worldwide. Maybe just Port Harcourt here, okay? So definitely, my target audience will definitely be breastfeeding mothers or pregnant mothers or lactating mothers living in Port Harcourt. Okay. So you see that Facebook ads, instead of just posting, maybe I'm just even starting my business of first time, instead of posting, it's getting to the wrong audience, it just gets to anybody, it might not even get it, it might just not even get to a lot of people. Instead of all that, maybe we get to Tunde living in like that is still probably in secondary school or instead of all those sending to people that don't need that, it's going to target it to the exact people. It's like the x-ray. Do you understand? To x-ray it to the exact people that wants it or that needs that advertisement. Do you understand? That's what Facebook ad does or Facebook ad is all about. Why is Facebook ad important? Facebook ad is important mainly number one because it targets your content to the right audience. It won't just post it or just target it to just males. It will target it to males. Maybe you want males that are living in Port Harcourt. It will target to males that are living in Port Harcourt that are so age that speak and do you understand? Basically, it will give you the right, the laser sharp targeting, the exact targeting. You will not like way like this or like this. Go straight, right targeting. Do you understand? The right target. Also, it gives measurable results. Unlike TV ads, like the other day when I talked about television ads and everything that they can pay 2 million in a year and they may not even see that return on investment will not probably even be the same. Do you understand? It will not get that ROI. Do you get? But you see, with Facebook ads and everything, they target your right audience, and at the end of the day, you can get a good conversion where people will actually patronize you and that engagement you're looking for, whatever thing you're looking for, you will get it with Facebook ads. But television ads, they are podcasting it, or maybe their target audience are men, are probably fathers. Fathers will go to work in the morning, they will not show the advert that morning when the fathers are not even watching TV. So basically, how do they even expect the fathers to see this particular advertisement? Do you understand? But with Facebook ads, you get to whenever you finally decide to open your phone to check, you will see the ads. Do you understand? So basically, that's it. And also, it is cost effective. With 2,000, with 3,000, you can run your ad without stress in comfort of your home. Comfortably, you can do what you want to do. Okay. So yeah. So now we're going to jump straight into the practical aspect. So I want you all to, if you have a laptop with you, take it, use it. As I'm doing mine, do yours. So that because basically, it's better to practice as I'm doing. It's better to also be doing at the same time. Then later you can practice on your own. Yeah. So definitely there will also be assignments at the end of the class. Also, so at the end of the day, you will still practice on your own, basically. And also, you can run Facebook ads on phone, but it's better on laptop. You understand? And I'll tell you why along the class. So let's go right into it. For Facebook ads, you first of all come to Chrome. But before that, like I said, I mentioned that you cannot use your phone, like, or rather, you can use your phone, but basically, it's better to use your laptop to run ads than using your phone. Why is this? Because basically, you get full access to Meta Ads Manager. You get where you can probably access everything that needs to be set up easily. Do you understand? But with phone, like I said, you can use phone, but with phone, you cannot access everything. You can only just see. I think on phone you just see basic boosting like this thing. You see a boosting key or something. But you see with laptop, it's you have more control. It is more effective. You get more tools and everything to actually run your ads. Do you understand? So now let's go right into it. So the first thing you're going to do is click on facebook.com/ad manager. Enter. Then if you're not logged in, it's going to tell you, okay, you have to first of all log in, obviously. So when you log in, let's take it to your page. This is my page. Okay, so this is not my page anyway, but this is my page. But that's by the way. So you click on this icon, this menu icon, and to show you ads manager. Facebook has made it very easy, to find your way around it. The user interface now is very good. So now it's loading. So for to start, you click on create. So before we start the whole thing, before we move forward, before we move forward, there's something you guys must know. In this Facebook card, we have three different sections. Okay, that's the campaign, ad set, and ad creatives. So for the campaign or ad campaign, anyone, the campaign, before you even start the campaign, you first of all need to, define your objective, identify your goals. What do you want from this ad? What do you want to obtain? What do you want to get? What's the end result? What's your conversion? So what do you want from this ad? Is it awareness? Maybe you have a webinar company, and maybe as webinar, kind of went down, you want to, probably like alert people that, oh, we are still in get now, so just do the ad to let people know that you are still in it gets in action. You are still in sales and all those kind of stuff. Good for reach, brand awareness, video views and all. And you have the one for traffic ad, you have engagement. Like they write down every single thing, so yeah, they are very clear objectives you get. So let's say we are going to just focus on WhatsApp ad, WhatsApp business ad, anyone you get. So for that, we pick the engagement, get more messages, purchases through messaging, video views, post engagement, messaging rather, yeah, page likes or event responses. Good for Messenger, Instagram, and WhatsApp. Video views, post engagement, conversions, and calls. So you continue. So you're going to pick manual engagement campaign. Or yeah, so between this, so apparently this campaign setup basically is going to, if you pick the Facebook one, this is the recommended settings. They are going to help you, set up your target audience, set up everything, your location, your target audience location, every single thing about the campaign. The particular place to post your ad, everything. They're just going to do for you. You don't have to do anything. But at the same time, it's better to choose manual engagement campaign because you know your target audience more than Facebook knows them. For you to be very honest, you know that, oh, this is what you are doing. Like I'm selling baby food. I know what exactly my target audience, who my target audience are. Like, do you understand what they like, what they want? Do you understand? So it's better for you to, that way you can actually, like, set it up from scratch, pick what you want. Because if Facebook picks it for you, you're on your own. Oh. I mean, they can be right, but then you never get. It's better for a human being like you yourself to do it that way, so that you can even hold yourself accountable for whatever. Do you understand? So you click on to next. Then before you would check, you would set it up. You set your ad campaign. Let's say my business is a let's say canvas. I sell canvas on WhatsApp, or rather, I just sell canvas. Yeah, I sell canvas. Maybe canvas ad, yeah. So you have to name your campaign. This way, it's easy for you to, track. Maybe you say you want to, maybe you even like decide to run like different ads and everything. You can easily, track each of them. You can, know, oh, this is the one for this particular ad. This is the one for, do you get? So naming your campaign makes it easy for you to, track your performance and, know the particular ad you are tracking. So you go on to the next. So for the ad set, this is where you get to pick your target audience. You get from their, you know, this is it, from their location to their age to their demographic, like, so to their, like, interest and everything. And this way Facebook can easily direct your ad to the exact people you want. Also, this is also where you pick your budget and schedule everything. So we're running a WhatsApp. We want to do an ad for WhatsApp. You get, so message destinations. So it's going to go to get people to engage with your brand on Messenger, WhatsApp, or Instagram. So since we want to use WhatsApp alone. So since we're already using WhatsApp, we connect to WhatsApp, connect our account. This kind of gave me a little bit of issue. So I'm using WhatsApp, connect to WhatsApp instead of Messenger. So moving forward, we're going to put our budget, jump to the budget and schedule. How much do you want to spend on your ad? Let's say 2,000 naira per day. Enter. So they're going to be, this is 2,000 naira. These 2,000 are going to be every day. So in a week now, if you're running your ads for 7 days, you're going to take 14,000 naira. But if you're running your ads for, like, just, like, basically it's going to be 2,000 naira each day till the end of your ad. So the start date, let's put July 24, 2025. And don't put end dates. Do you know why? Because, for example, let's say you run an ad for a shoe. Oh yeah, since it's a canvas ad, we run an ad for a canvas. And let me say, the target audience don't probably even like the content that was actually put out for the ad. And people now actually don't really, there's no convert. Like, if people don't really engage with your advertisement or your content, it's just a waste of money. And let's say you put the ad from July 24 to for 7 days, your money will just be going like that, and then you won't get any result or whatever. And now let's look at the positive side. Let's say you put 7 days and your ad is converting, like you're actually seeing sales and everything, and then you still actually want to keep getting sales. You've not finished getting to your target audience. And let's say that maybe that's for you to get to the end of your target, or get all your target audience. Maybe just say to take 10 days, and you're gonna put 7 days. So that's how it will just end. like that. So it's better for you to actually not put any end date. You're the one that will just come and end by yourself. That way, you know that, oh, if my ad is not working well, I can easily end it after 1 day or 2 days. I notice, or 1 or 2 days after observation. You understand? And if it's working well, you can just keep on. You just leave it. Let it just be going, going, going till whenever you're ready to end it. So there's no need to put your end date. Then here you go to next is audience control. You put your location, Nigeria. If you're in Nigeria, then you can't put Nigeria and then still come and put another country. Oh. If you're putting Nigeria, you put only Nigeria. If you're putting America, you put only America. If you're putting Saudi Arabia, do you understand? Then you pick your location. Let's say people that like you want the ad to get people in Lagos. We also want Port Harcourt. Click on it. Maybe let's say Edo. You know, can pick more than 10. Just pick the country of the states you want, then on to the next. People that use canvas, let's say 18. Our target audience is 18 to, like, let's say 40. No, let's not even use 40, let's even use like 50. Actually, you will know why I actually picked that. But yes, going forward, you go to your gender, all genders actually, but then just edit it to put it all, yes. Then you add your demographic and interest. This is where you have to put things that your target audience you feel like will be interested in. This way, Facebook can fish that out and push those ads to them. For example, now people that wear canvas, they like to jog. They are into sports. Hey, let's go sports. They also like yeah. So Facebook will help you bring out other suggestions. Okay, so physical exercise, you just click them. You get physical fitness, weight training, bodybuilding, running, you get jogging, a lot. So you just keep clicking, clicking till you're good to go, or you're okay with what you want. Then that's for that. Then on to the next. Before you click on save audience, you click on placement, choose where your ad appears across meta. So you're okay, edit. AI, Facebook can help you pick, and you know what you want. So you pick manually, you pick what you want. This is where Facebook is going to place your ads. You understand? So you don't want Facebook to post it on Facebook. You don't want it on Facebook. You don't want it on. Okay. Okay. So basically, it didn't show here. WhatsApp didn't show here because I didn't connect my number, which I tried to do, but I'm having a little issue with that. But so let's just stick to Messenger. Let's just use it as Messenger for now. Okay. So after doing that, they will go back to saving your audience. You look at it. Audience details, Nigeria, like you get Edo State. These are the people you confirm. Are they complete? Yes, you save it. So after doing that, you go to the next, which is the ad word creative. You would name your ad again. Canva words ad. Sorry, Canvas ad. Yeah, before that, lest I forget, this one too will also be changed to also. Yes, always try to remember to always save your the names of your you get. You always need to name your ad sets, your ad sections each you get, so you can easily be able to track every activity. So for this one, this is your ad creative. This is where the post that you are going to use for this ad is going to be put or made or posted. You get. So that's for that. So you choose the Facebook page that we're going to use. But like I said, we're supposed to use WhatsApp, but let's just use Messenger since my WhatsApp is giving issues. But then again, Facebook is very easy. The whole ad thing is very easy to navigate through. Okay, so when you actually link your WhatsApp number with it, you can easily, you can easily, find your way through. It's still the same thing like this. So we're going to create ad single. So you have to choose between the single image or video or carousel or multi advertiser ad. So we're going to pick the single image. So we're going to set up creatives if we want to an image ad or video ad. So let's just probably go for image ad and upload. Click on upload. Then let's pick maybe this ad GXS banner. Okay. Click on it. Next. Okay, so this ad is going to be shown. Pick this, okay. So you tell people what your ad is about. Oh, the primary text, for example. Okay, since it's like, in as much as we are using that DXS ad, let's still assume we are selling a canvas. Okay, so maybe the primary text. Basically, the primary text. No, basically, this is the main message that people see above the image or video. So the message has to be clear, persuasive. You get. So let's say, step out in style without breaking your bank or the bank. This is the bank. Our canvas are built for comfort, you get, and all that. You know what I'm talking about. Like I said again, your message has to be, persuasive, because this is your primary text has to be, because this is one of the, this is going to be above. You will see how it's going to be. This is going to, is what is going to, move people to actually want, persuade people to actually want to get. So it has to be persuasive enough. So it can be longer than this. Maybe we can just add, our canvas are built for comfort, maybe durability, okay, and everyday hangout. You can add more if you want to get. Then your headline has to be catchy, has to be like, okay, basically, and like it appears right below the image. So let's say, let's use maybe affordable canvas that goes with anything. So it has to be also persuasive and clear and, purpose driven. You get. Then the description can be optional. You can probably just say, you know, classic look. But then this is optional. But then if you want to use it, if you don't want to write anything, then it's fine. Unmatched comfort. Let's just leave it as this. Then next, your call to action. Since we know we want to do it on like probably Facebook, we can use contact us or send message. So on to the next, click on done. So okay, moving forward, I don't know if you've created an ad before, if you clicked on a link before that took you to the seller's WhatsApp or Messenger or something like that. You will see messages like this. Maybe just say, please let us know how we can help you. Then the questions and responses, you see what services do you offer, how much do your services cost, can I book an appointment? So it's not like, so the customer can now easily just pick what they want. Do you understand? So if you it's not left to you to decide if you want to just leave it this way or you change it. But if you want to change it, you click on edit and change it to what you want. Okay. After this is done, you're done. So you can just look through your ad again. Is this good enough? This is just going to just take us to Messenger because we use the Messenger. But if you, like I said, if you want to use the WhatsApp, you guys saw the options there, so you can just easily use that. But I don't know why my WhatsApp is having a little bit of issues right now. So when you're done with reviewing and everything, you publish. But then I'm going to teach you guys how to. Okay, I'm going to teach you guys how to fund your ad account, which is also easy. So you come to this place. This is how it looks like. You get, so you come to this place, click on billing and payments. So it take you to another, this thing, and then you do your payment there. So when you get here, you'll see these available funds, 0 naira. So you have to add your funds. Let's say the ads you want to buy is 14,000 naira. Let me just say it's for 4 days, but it's for 7 days and it's at 2,000 naira on. Do your 14,000. So you click on, you found this thing you want to do. Okay, so you click on debit of whatever way you want to pay. You can pay through bank transfer, everything. So I'm going to choose bank transfer. Next, it's loading. So this way I don't even need to go to start saving my card details here or whatever. I can just easily just copy the account number, pay it, and because some people will be like listening that what if Facebook now go and mistakenly take more than they are supposed to take. So you can easily just fund it through this way, get the account number and pay it, and you are good to go. But since we're not actually doing an actual ad, there's no need. But then if you actually want to proceed to do it, you want to actually, just confirm how it is, how it looks like you actually did an ad, you can actually go forward to actually, pay. When you pay the money, okay, you're going to go back to your ads and continue running it. Just click publish. Then when you want to, monitor your ads, you can easily do that. This is it. Like for example, this is the Canvas ad, okay? You can easily monitor it. You know the amount of reach that's gotten, the impressions, the cost per result, the amount spent, everything when it ends. So it's going to help you track it. You can easily track it through this way. Okay. So yeah, I think that's that for Facebook ads. So if you have any questions, please do ask. And if you can actually try connecting your WhatsApp to doing the WhatsApp ad, or using this method I use to do try out any other ad you get. And if you have any question, don't fail to ask. I would also try to, retry connecting my WhatsApp again with it. So if you have any question about the WhatsApp, if you really still want to learn how to connect the whole WhatsApp ad itself, just do let me know. Okay. Thanks for watching, and um please make sure you do your task, your assignments, and it will be dropped after this video, okay? Below this video. All right, good night. Bye.